While all women are at a risk for cervical cancer, there are some factors that increase one's chances of developing it. Dr. Jaskaran Singh, Senior Consultant, Radiation, tells us who is more likely to have cervical cancer and what the prescribed treatments for it are.
Cervical cancer is a cancer which is found in women who are sexually active. This is one of the most common cancers which is found in women in India, and it is one of the leading causes of death for women suffering from cancer in the developing world. There are various causes which lead to development of cervical cancers. First one we can say is early onset of sexual activity. In this, we can say that women who begin their sexual activity at an earlier age are at a higher risk of developing cancer than women who do it at a later stage in life. Multiple sexual partners is another thing which is found very common in the history of women suffering from cervical cancer. History of sexually transmitted diseases like chlamydia, genital herpes are also seen quite frequently in women who develop carcinoma of cervix. Another important thing is an unhealthy male partner. Infections of the urogenital tract like HPV, human papillomavirus infections, are one of the leading causes of cancer of the cervix in women. Use of DES, prenatal exposure to DES, immunosuppression are some of the causes which are frequently seen in women who develop cervical cancer. Another important factor for development of cervical cancer is exposure to estrogens, which may be exogenous or endogenous. Endogenous means like obesity, and exogenous is use of estrogens in birth control pills and other exposures to estrogen during the woman's lifetime. There are various treatment modalities which are available for treatment of cervical cancer. One of the options is a surgery. When the stage of the cervical cancer is beyond 2A, the curative modality of treatment is radiotherapy. Radiotherapy can be delivered by various forms. It is delivered by external beam, which may be given using a lot of techniques like image guided or IMRT or 3D conformal radiotherapy. Apart from this, internal radiation plays an important role in the treatment of cervical cancer. It is known as intracavity radiotherapy application or ICRT. This application can be done using a high dose brachytherapy system, which is quite popularly available in our country and can be found at many centers. Usually in advanced stages of cervical cancer, apart from radiation, concurrent chemotherapy is also added to enhance the effect of radiation. This kind of treatment is known as chemoradiation.
For more about cancer, log on to onlymyhealth.com.